guys, I'm doing a little DIY. I have so many jeans that don't fit me proper because obviously I'm gaining weight. My waist and hips don't match. These particular jeans were giving high waters, but they fit really well in the waist area. So I busted out the scissors and let me show you guys what they look like. Oh my gosh, focus. They are definitely mom style. I think I cut them really well. I know when I wash them, this will probably get more frayed. I try to like use the scissors to make it look more distressed. But there's a hack for you guys. If you have jeans that don't really fit proper, cut them into shorts, because I know I needed shorts. And these are nice. Plus I feel like I have room to grow into them as I continue with my bulk journey. But I'm obsessed. By the way, these were from Shein. So I think I'm going to try and cut another pair that I have that are a little too big in the waist. But I feel like if I get rid of all the excess leg material, I'll be able to put them up and fit a little bit better. These are the other jeans that I have. They're so cute. Like, I love the wash and all of the distressing that it already has. So I feel like these will look really cute as denim shorts as well. So I'll probably do like well, I can always cut them shorter. So maybe I'll start with like a 3-inch inseam, because these would be really cute as like booty shorts. But since there's already a distressing here, maybe I'll cut right underneath it and we'll see what kind of style. They definitely gape in the back, so I don't know if that'll work, but I could always order those buttons on Amazon where you can have like a crossover waist. So that will be an easy fix, but I'm not really trying to spend more money on denim shorts when I could DIY them, you know what I'm saying? So let's see if we can make magic happen. I don't really measure anything, but like I said, I'm gonna cut maybe right underneath this distressing there, and then right above these here. Yeah, that looks a little long, but again, we could always go shorter. My scissors aren't the best. But yeah, these just didn't fit how I would like them to. So now, these look like mom shorts. I feel like I should go a little shorter. Here's what the back looks like. It's giving uneven. So yeah, I need to cut this other side a little shorter. Okay, so these are definitely way too stinking long. And then in the back, y'all see the gape? My issue always with jeans. I don't know. I think I definitely need to go a lot shorter with the cut of these. Do you see how they're already starting to get distressed? Love that look. Again, I feel like if I got that waistband, let me see, if I got that Amazon thing, I'm trying to imagine how it would fit. It would definitely help. Project turn all of my freaking jeans into shorts is in full effect. I have these White Fox pants. They're kind of high waters on me, so I just sliced them off, and they cup the booty so nice too. And I did about, gosh, this looks a little uneven, an inch inseam. So I'm about to try these on and see how I like them, but they're just such good quality denim. And I'm gonna throw all of these in the wash, so hopefully it'll get more fraying and stuff after I dry them and everything. So I have to go through all of these jeans. There's a lot of them that I can't even get on because my butt grew, which is never a bad thing, but I'm not buying any more jeans, you guys, until winter. This is ridiculous. But yeah, definitely recommend trying this out, because now I have a bunch of shorts that I can wear. This is amazing. Okay, I'm so excited. These fit so stinking nice. Just wait till I wash them. Just wait, and hopefully it'll start to like roll at the bottom. Look, I made these ones into like booty shorts. So, you know, we love a DIY that actually turns out proper. We love to see it. Yeah, these are gonna be nice. They fit so much better without that excess fabric suffocating my thick thighs. Oh yeah. Oh yes. I just transformed my wardrobe for free $99. Now these just don't fit good because my thighs are so thick that the fabric can't pull up. It's so tight. So I can't pull them up as high as I would like, but they have the coolest crossover band. And I think I might be able to finesse these into shorts as well, because then I'll have actual space and room to pull them up. So we're gonna do our little hack and see if we can transform these jeans. You can see how it's pulling. It's not really fitting good. Into some shorts. I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory, but you just want to, well, first try them on and see where you would like them to like hit on you, and then measure from the inseam. I'm not busting out a ruler, you guys. I'm using my fingers. About an inch, I would say, for a good like booty short fit. And then I just drag the scissors and make like an invisible line and then just cut there. Just make sure that you try to get them as even as possible. But I've already cut all of these shorts. So if you have old jeans, this might be something that you'll want to do so that you don't have to like waste your clothing. You can kind of upcycle it and you don't have to go and spend money on shorts that are way overpriced to begin with. So I did cut a pair into like a mom style, and then I'll do more like cheeky ones. And if you want to get fancy, you can just do more distressing if you'd like. Today I'm not really doing all of that, but I'm sure I will get into it. So again, I'm just gonna measure maybe about an inch. You can always cut shorter, just keep that in mind. However, it is a lot easier to get it right the first time because it's gonna be cleaner and a lot more straight. So yeah, that's just really all of my tips. And if you have jeans that are high waters, this is great. If you have jeans that are too tight in your thighs, which is my case, this is a great hack. And then if you just are tired of having the same things and you want something different, this is something cool that you guys can do. And it's super easy as well. And make sure you have sharper scissors. I don't have good ones. I think I'm gonna do like an inch from the inseam, and I just draw an imaginary line and I follow that. Sometimes they don't look good, I'm not even gonna lie. There's one pair that I was like, oh, this isn't good because it doesn't fit me proper to begin with. And that's okay, you know, you gotta try it before you get rid of them. And I just did not feel like listing these jeans on my Poshmark. So, why not? And these are from Pretty Little Thing. So yeah, bam, don't need that. And then we're left with a super short. So again, do the same thing, measure where you want to cut, draw that imaginary line, and it really is like a 2-second DIY, but yeah, you can kind of pull the fabric a little bit. I know for me, it was so tight in the thigh area, so I think this will give me a lot more space for my legs to breathe, and then I can pull them up on my waist a lot higher since that fabric isn't pulling me down. But you can see how short. So if you don't want them to be super short, maybe do like a 2-inch inseam and see how you guys like that. So let's go try these on. Y'all saw what they looked like before. Okay. These are super cute. I can definitely pull them up way higher now, and actually have room to grow into these because I'm on a bulk journey. So this is nice. They're not so suffocating and my thighs can breathe. So just imagine them with, you know, the fraying again after I wash them, but you could also cut them a little bit longer with the intent to keep them rolled like this, and that gives it a really cute like look as well. It just depends on what style you're going for. These are like a night and day difference, and I feel like they're nice and flattering on the bum. So try this out, you guys. Let me know if you like it and if you end up doing this with your old jeans. I know you didn't need a tutorial, but maybe I inspired somebody watching to upcycle their wardrobe now that it's getting so hot outside. And I feel like they definitely fit way better when you cut off all that excess material. But anyone else just have trouble finding jeans in general, especially when you online shop? It is such a nightmare for me. So that's how I ended up with all of these jeans to begin with that just didn't really fit me good. So I just finished cutting all of my jeans into shorts, and I was able to get 7 freaking pairs. So now we need to go wash them because this is such a raw hem. It's not gonna really give us that distressed look. These ones I definitely messed up on. I don't know. We'll see after we wash them how they'll look, because baby no, but it's fine. You know, I was gonna get rid of them anyway before I decided to do this little DIY. So we're gonna throw them into the laundry. And oh, let me put some fabric softener in here. And I think I'm gonna wash them on, I don't know, hot water. I think I'm gonna do hot. Time to check on our shorts. Well, I need to put them in the dryer, so hopefully they did what I wanted them to do and got a little bit more roughed up. Ooh. This is what we wanted to see. Let's see what we got going on. Looks like something died in this laundry. Okay. Okay. Yes. This is what we want to see. See, it looks like we bought these from the store. Obviously, it's gonna get more frayed and stuff. I personally love that look. See how the ends get frayed like that? It looks way better than that raw straight across. And I can't wait to try these on when they're dry. Yeah, that looks really good. These I got from Zara, I think. Yeah, I did. They were like a mom jean. These look nice. These were the black ones. There's like little strings everywhere, so do be careful with that. These are the ones I messed up on and cut them really short in the crotch area. This is like a summer party type of short. Like, I can't be wearing these out in public. But look at all these shorts we made. Okay. Which ones are these? These are from Shein. And then the last pair that I made, also these used to be Shein jeans. Nice and distressed. Now I'm gonna dry them and we'll see what the final results are. And boom, you guys, I just pulled these all out of the dryer and they look amazing. So they definitely do roll. I like that look, but you can pull them down. These are one of my favorites, the wrapped waist. So I really do recommend you guys try this little hack out. And then this was my second favorite pair, the White Fox. They were more of like a mom jean, but I love the distressing. It'll definitely get worse. But if you like that look, then yeah, you guys will love this. These ones I probably can't wear because there's no, baby, there's no fabric in the crotch. Just revamped my freaking wardrobe for free $99. And I feel like they look so good, like I probably bought them this way. So yeah, really love this DIY. And I have literally so many that I was just gonna get rid of because the jeans just looked horrible on me. These are also another like mom style cut that I did. And this was a pair of Zara like mom jeans. Now I have mom shorts. So cute. And here is just one of the shorts. I'm not going to try everything on you guys, but I just wanted to show you how it looks with the distressing and stuff now. So cute. Super cute. I'm ready for summertime. Hey, these are so much comfier though than the jeans that they once were.